Hey guys, it's Britonny. Welcome back to a new video. So in my last video that I did last week at Quartz, we looked at some furniture pieces and person said they wanted to see some appliances. So that's what we're going to be showing you in this video today. I saw some new stoves, TVs, refrigerators, and so on. So if you'd like to see that, guys, continue watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you know when I upload a new video first. So thank you guys so much for watching. Let's jump right into the video. Alright, so the first stove we're looking at is this one here by Mabe or Mabe. I'm so sorry, I don't remember to pronounce it. And this is actually the stove that I have. It has an attachable range to it, so you can buy it without the range to it, you could buy it with it. So you know the range is gonna take away the smoke, exhaust, and all that steam from out of the house, which will be good for your light bill and just for like the clarity and the purity of the air as well. So I like the make of these stoves. In the oven you do get 2 oven racks, which is good, and the oven was a really good size as well. Also the burners, the grills over the burners were like cast iron, which is always great for durability. So yeah, I like this stove. Alright, so this next one we're looking at, I didn't like the grills over the burners. It's still a Mabe stove or Mabe. Correct me in the comments. It does have a griddle, 6 burner stove, and you also have the jumbo burners, that one there, and a jumbo burner in the back. In this oven you get 1 oven rack, but you can move that to different levels, but I always like 2 oven racks, but this one only comes with 1. I'm so sorry I didn't see the price for this one, guys, but yeah. So this is actually the stove that I own, right? But it's just in a different color. So I own the black one that's next to it, and this is a stainless steel like silver combo. I don't think I like it in the silver with the stainless steel. I love this stove so far. 2 oven racks, which is good. Cast iron grills over the burners. It has the griddle, and then under the griddle right there it has like 2 more burners because it's 6 burners. It has jumbo burners, 2 jumbo burners, and 4 regular size burners. So yeah, this is the one that I own, and I've been loving it so far. And this is it in the white as well. But I do believe the white burners are like of a cheaper make. It's not the cast iron. The burner, the grill on the white stove. Alright, here's another one. I actually really like the burners and the grills on this one. It's kind of different, kind of looks professional, like a professional make. It's by Whirlpool, right? And then under here you have the other 2 burners. This is a 5 burner stove. Oven pretty large, only 1 oven rack though, so consider that. The knobs were like screwed off, so I don't know what's going on with that, but yeah. And then this one has the cover attached to it. This one is $102,999. This kind of has like a professional like kitchen look. Yeah, pretty nice if you ask me. It has the griddle and all of that. There are no like controls for the oven, like digital controls or anything like that. It would be controlled by the knobs, but this one is really special because it opens like a door, like like a front door. It's not the traditional oven. It has 2 racks in there, so that's something a bit different with this one. So I just wanted to show you quickly electric stove and how they are priced in Jamaica. So here's one. I'm not really interested in electric stoves, but there are persons who are interested. And here is another stove that's like a lower price, smaller 4-burner electric stove. So if you're on a smaller budget or you need like something for your small apartment, because most apartments in Kingston now they don't allow you to have a gas stove, you're gonna need an electric stove. So this is great for persons with a small apartment. You know, you have your little oven, your 4 burners. You know, what more could you need if you're a young professional? Here's something for you. Alright, so I wanted to take a look at some washers and dryers. So this is a washer dryer combo, so it does wash and dry at the same time. It's by the brand Mastertech. So it's 119,999. all right, so I don't know how I feel about having it all in one. Persons have said that they have had problems with having like the washer dryer combo. It's not really rated good online, but I mean, I can see how it would make sense and so on, but persons have been saying it's not all that reliable. But I mean, I can see how it makes sense, like innovation, you know. And then here you have some standard dryers. This one was on clearance, so $102,000 on clearance. You know, you have your different speeds and different temperatures that you can put on it. And this one is front loading. It's front loading dryer. And here's also another one by the brand Whirlpool, front loading dryer. All right, so here are some washers now. This one is by Whirlpool. You can see how the different, you know, size loads, all of those controls with these knobs. It is a top loading washer, and I like top loading washers versus front loading. All right, so I do prefer a top loading washer than a front loading. I don't know. So here you have this one from Samsung. It has a tempered glass at the top. It's easy cleaner and self clean also. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys a variety of what Course have. I didn't get to go into everything like my longer detailed videos, but I just want you guys to have an idea of that. So yeah, I hope you're enjoying this video so far. All right, so now we're gonna go into my favorite part, which would be the refrigerators. So here's the first one we're looking at, and this one doesn't have like those typical handles that like you screw on. The handles space is like kind of like carved out for this one, and it's by Whirlpool. It has, you know, your water dispenser on the outside. So yeah, that's how you open it. Pretty spacious refrigerator, really nice. It comes with the egg tray already, and then I believe in the refrigerator you will have like the little ice tray. Yeah, so yeah, really nice. And of course we know brands like Whirlpool and so on are really trusted brands for these things. So I'm just going to show you the refrigerators that I kind of picked out were new, that appear to be new. Yeah, so if you want a more detailed, longer video, make sure you check out my first quartz video that I posted a few months ago. So yeah, this one has, you know, the water dispenser on the outside. I love the play with the black and the stainless steel, really nice. Again, with that ice maker inside, or ice tray. And then, you know, you have all these dividers and all the bells and whistles that come with the standard refrigerator. So yeah, pretty standard here, but I did notice it was new, so I wanted to show you guys. This next one, really nice. You know, it has a two-sided double door fridge. You have the controls that are on the outside. This is 18.6 cubic feet, right? I really like these handles. They're kind of like, you know, fingerprint resistant, so that's good, right? So yeah, this was a pretty standard fridge, had everything basically that you'd need. And then on the outside of this fridge, that's where you would control like the temperature for the freezer, the refrigerator. I think you can also lock this fridge and change the various modes and settings just from the outside there on that little panel that you saw. And here's another one. This double door fridge is being advertised as finger resistant, you know, fingerprint resistant. It's by Samsung, right? So it has a debit. I won't even go into that. Yeah, you guys can read. So yeah, this one's nice too. All the bells and whistles, just as you know, what you would expect from a brand like Samsung. So this is a much larger one, 25 cubic feet. You know, you have your ice maker on the outside, your water dispenser. All right. This one was kind of bulky on the inside. I didn't really like it. Yeah, so even though it was 25 cubic feet, to me it just looked really bulky and cluttered. So I didn't really like this part. This side was okay, but like the other side with the refrigerator, I didn't like that side. So yeah. Next we are looking at some TVs, because I remembered one of my commenters did say that he wanted to see some TV options here. So the first one is a really large one. The camera isn't really showing it justice, but it will be great for like a home theater. So persons who have designed their home to accommodate a home theater, this is a TV for you. Yeah man, the one, yeah, the price tag up there too, right? So yeah, but this TV was really huge. As I said, the camera isn't even doing it justice. Like I looked really small compared to that TV. And then you just have some more affordable ones here from TCL and like MasterSec. But Quartz does have like all brands really, LG, all of that. This one is a 40-inch smart TV, Android smart TV. You have Panasonic, LG, Samsung, all the brands. So you really should just go in and take a look too. That'll be really good. So here you have a nice one, you know. This one is LG 4K smart TV, right? And then this one is 4K. Also smart TV. That one's really big too. Will be great for, yeah, as you can see, football games and all of that. So yeah, here's a Samsung one. This one was also 4K, fully smart TV. So yeah, you guys can just go and check out these televisions. I couldn't really go into detail this week because, as you know, we're entering lockdown Jamaica, and this was like about a few minutes before courts close. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Also, tell me in the comments below your favorite pieces from today's shopping trip. Bye guys.